Hey everybody, and welcome back. This is Taylor Jones with Alamance County 4-H, and today we're going to talk about making your very own flower press. This is a super easy project and it doesn't require a lot of materials, so let's get started. First off, you're going to want 2 boards. These are non-treated pine boards that are about 8 by 6 inches. You're going to want 2 of them because you're going to need a top and a bottom. Next, you're going to need 4 screws. These are 1/4 inch screws that we're going to use for each of the corners of our flower press. You're going to want to ask a parent or guardian for permission to use the drill, but basically you just want to make a hole in each corner of each board that is a little bit bigger than your screws. Finally, you also need 8 washers because your washers are going to go underneath the head of the screw and they're going to go under your wing nuts that are going to be your tighteners for your flower press. So basically, all you have to do is put all your screws in there. You've got your flower there. We're going to cover it up. I like to use paper towels or tissue paper on either side of our flowers so they don't get damaged in the flower press. We're going to put our top on just like so, and then put our washers on each of the screws. Then you're going to put your wing nuts on all 4 corners. And you screw it down tight. And there you have your very own flower press.